morning, my dear children. Hope you all are doing well. I'm your Rosalind ma'am. And dear children, we are now going to learn the next part of speech, that is prepositions. So here we will discuss prepositions that describes the position of objects. So let's learn together. Dear children, let's know the meaning of preposition. The word preposition means positioned before. A preposition is a part of speech that shows a relationship between two things. So we would be learning about the preposition of location, that is on, under, in, timing, before, after, during, direction, from, toward, to. Dear children, preposition is represented in green color. So it's the shape of a crescent. It looks like a sliced moon. So prepositions expresses relationships such as space, time, or figurative location. So do remember that prepositions are position words. Dear children, let's do some examples. Where do you see this little mini mouse? Where is the mouse? The mouse is on the box. And where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. So on and under are the new preposition words that you are learning. When we say on, which means that it is touching the box. Above is little higher, not touching the box. So here the mouse is on the box. So children, where is the cat? Where is the cat sitting? The cat is next to the ball of thread. And where is the ball of thread? The ball of thread is besides the cat. So next to and besides, these are the new prepositions. Now where is the man, children? Where is the man? The man is behind the tree. So the new preposition word is behind. And where is the little man? The little man is in the box. So do you see the little man is in the box? Now where is the dog, children? The dog is under the table. So these are the new preposition words. And where are the flowers? The flowers are in the vase. So can you see the flowers are in the vase? Now where is the rabbit? Let's see where is the rabbit, the position. The rabbit is in front of the tree. And where is the rabbit now? The rabbit is behind the tree. So all these words are preposition words: in front of, behind, under, in, on. Where are the books, children? The books are in the box. So they are in the box. And where is the apple? The apple is on the box. So something which is touching on the top, that will become on. So here the apple is touching the box. So it is on the box. Now children, let's see some common prepositions. And you can learn all these common prepositions because while we are reading a sentence, we will be using them. On, in, under, up, inside, beside, among, far from, into, over, behind, above, near, in front of, upon, below, around, outside, next to, far, between, against, on top of it, out of, through, down, across, before, after, with. So these are the few common prepositions which we use. Dear children, now it's time for you that you have to identify some pictures and you have to tell the positions. You have already done these pictures in the online class. So let's start. So children, as you all had prepared this preposition chart, so you could revise once again as I would show you the picture, and then you can again revise reading the sentences. So where are the books? In the first place, the books are in the box. The second place, the books are on the table. Then the ball is near the bat. The ball is far from the bat and the ball is above the table. So children, let us see the position of the ball. Where is the ball in the first picture? The ball is below the table. The second picture, the ball is among the bats, and in the third picture, the ball is between the bats. Let's see the next positions. Now where is the ball? The ball is behind the box in the first picture. In the second picture, the ball is in front of the box. And in the third picture, the ball flies over the table. Now where is the ball? The ball rolls under the table. The ball flies into the box and the ball falls out of the box. So parents, while you are doing this, you can make the questions like where is the ball flying, where is the ball flying out or in. You can give some options also. Now let's identify where is the ball and the bat. In the first picture, what do you see? The ball passes through the legs of the table. Then the ball is beside the box and the ball is against the box. So beside is at one side and against is when it is touching the box. Children, now in this picture, where do you see the ball? Where the ball flies and where is the bat? The ball flies across the table. So it is given box, you correct and write it as table. The ball flies across the table, and in the next picture, the bat is next to the ball. So can you see the bat is next to the ball? Let's see the last three pictures. Where are the balls and where the ball falls and flies? So in the first picture, what do you see? So many balls. So the balls are around the box. So the balls are around the box. The second picture, the ball falls down. So the ball falls down, and the last picture, the ball flies up. So dear children, while seeing the pictures and while seeing the worksheet, you have to record your audio and video by identifying the pictures and their positions, and then you can read your preposition chart and you have to read the complete sentence. So you have to read all the 22 sentences completely by identifying the picture and record your audio and video.